So I just turned into the top end of Glen Grey, so I'm heading towards you to stop at the park. Are you on home base or are you on the van? In the van, mobile van. Oh, okay, so that'll be good. So if it doesn't. Just got to Glengarry, my first stopover. Stay here for a couple of days. The road is pretty bad coming here, but you know, so what, travelling slowly, doesn't matter, part of the break. And looks like a beautiful place, nice half shade. Just filling up with water, and then I've got Sunday late afternoon after sunset. Cell phone doesn't do justice for the colour. I'll try and take a picture with a normal camera just to see the color. Absolutely stunning, peaceful, getting nippy now. It's been pretty hot today, over 30 degrees, but it's definitely getting cooler now. And just the frogs and the bird sounds out there. What a lovely afternoon. I went for a long walk this afternoon to the bottom end of the caravan park. Nobody there, so it's closed down for the moment. But yeah, lovely walks around here. Definitely will do some more tomorrow. And I've got a hanger on already. One of the dogs have been here with me all day. Not a youngster anymore, but he's been parking off here all day by me. Got a few dogs around, but I don't know, I think they all go to different campers, depends on what treats they get. Yeah, at the moment is load shedding. What is load shedding? Monday morning. It's about 10 degrees this morning, but a beautiful morning. Got up at about 20 to 1 this morning. And I got some stunning Milky Way shots, so we'll see what they look like later on. And then early on I went for a walk across the dam wall, right across there, and then I went down to the river and around the corner to the other side, to the other section of the caravan park. But it just looks like an absolute stunning morning. One thing for sure, peaceful and quiet here for internet. I brought MTN, Vodacom and Telkom with, and none of them offered reception. on my MTN on the phone, walking around. Now and then I'll get a WhatsApp that comes through, but otherwise no reception around here. Good morning, Tuesday morning. Clouded over, there's a couple of blue spots in the sky, but not having internet or any cell reception. I've got no clue what the weather's supposed to be like today. But let's see, sunrise side, it's still not sunrise, there's still another couple of minutes before sunrise. But this might just burn away and become a glorious day again. Beautiful, quiet, peaceful. The view here from one of the cottages. A couple of drops falling. So I don't know if the rain is coming or if it's just a monkey's wedding. Don't see any real black clouds around. The wedding has started. Raining pretty hard now. Good morning, Thursday morning, 7 degrees this morning, pretty nippy and very noisy. The birds out there having a big discussion, but clear skies, a little bit of clouds there in the distance, and I'm gonna get ready to be moving next couple of minutes. Going to Midlands Dam, gonna meet up with Russell and Cindy. Sun is not up yet, but fresh this morning. Time to put Susan's socks on. On my way to Rosetta, then Nottingham, then I'll stop and get some rolls and this far and then hit Midlands Dam. Just arrived at Midlands Dam, and surprisingly a lot of trucks on the road coming down here, but had a nice trip and got to reception about 5 minutes later. Russell, Cindy and Ben pulled in. We're nearly all set up, ready for the weekend. Quite a few people around. Not the way we have it, we always get here, there's nobody else here. What a gorgeous sunset. Beautiful, peaceful and calm here at Midlands. Looks like all the day visitors has disappeared. And how pretty is that? And here's the Lambwell family standing having snacks. Lots of day visitors on that side. And it's about 90% overcast. But lovely, nice and cool. Got a lot of people on this side already. I believe it's not fully booked, but I expect to see some more people arriving later or tomorrow. We're all set up. I've moved the van back a little bit, more level where I'm standing now. But all set up and ready for the long weekend. Good morning, Friday morning. Nice, cool, fresh morning. Mist. A lot of people up already. Neighbors are up having coffee. Talking about the load shedding. It's supposed to happen now. But again, both of us got back up now, so what a pleasure.